In this video, we will uncover the top challenges enterprises face when implementing AI workflows and provide strategies to overcome them, ensuring successful integration and avoiding costly pitfalls.
Did you know that over 60% of AI projects fail due to poor implementation strategies? Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the top challenges in AI workflow implementation and how overcoming these can lead to transformative business success. Stay with us as we explore practical solutions to avoid costly missteps and ensure your AI projects thrive.
The first step in successful AI implementation is identifying workflow inefficiencies. These inefficiencies often stem from outdated systems, redundant processes, or misaligned objectives. Imagine trying to run a marathon with weights tied to your ankles. That's what inefficiencies do to your AI projects. They slow down progress and drain resources. To spot these bottlenecks, tools like process mining and workflow management software are invaluable. They provide insights into how tasks flow through your system, highlighting areas for improvement. For instance, a leading retail company recently revamped its inventory management AI by identifying and eliminating redundant data checks, resulting in a 30% increase in processing speed. By streamlining processes, not only do you boost efficiency, but you also pave the way for more agile and responsive AI systems. Data integration is the backbone of any AI system. It involves the seamless merging of data from various sources into a single, unified view. However, this is easier said than done. Many enterprises struggle with integrating legacy systems, unstructured data, and real-time data streams. The key to success lies in adopting robust data integration frameworks, such as ETL, extract, transform, load, processes, and leveraging data lakes for scalability. Consider the example of a multinational bank that successfully integrated its customer data from multiple branches worldwide into a centralized data warehouse. This integration enabled real-time analytics and improved customer service by 25%. By ensuring your data is well integrated, you lay a solid foundation for AI models that are accurate and reliable. Scalability concerns often hinder AI projects from reaching their full potential. As data volumes grow and user demands increase, your AI systems must scale efficiently without compromising performance. One of the most effective ways to address scalability is through cloud computing. Cloud platforms offer flexible resources that can be adjusted based on demand, ensuring your AI systems remain responsive and cost-effective. Furthermore, automating repetitive tasks within your AI workflow can significantly reduce the burden of scaling. For example, a tech startup successfully scaled its AI-driven customer support system by leveraging cloud services and automating ticket routing, leading to a 40% reduction in response time. Embracing scalability solutions ensures your AI systems can grow alongside your business needs. In the age of data breaches and cyber threats, security and privacy are paramount in AI workflow implementation. AI systems are particularly vulnerable due to the vast amounts of data they handle, including sensitive information. Common threats include unauthorized access, data leaks, and adversarial attacks. To mitigate these risks, it's crucial to implement strong security measures such as encryption, access controls, and regular audits. Additionally, staying compliant with data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA is essential. A healthcare provider recently fortified its AI diagnostic tool by incorporating end-to-end encryption and multi-factor authentication, safeguarding patient data and maintaining trust. By prioritizing security and privacy, you not only protect your AI systems but also uphold the integrity and reputation of your organization. A well-trained team is the cornerstone of successful AI implementation. However, many organizations face skill gaps due to the rapid evolution of AI technologies. Identifying these gaps is the first step towards bridging them. Conducting skills assessments and encouraging a culture of continuous learning are vital. Training programs, whether through online courses or workshops, can equip your team with the necessary skills to manage and optimize AI systems effectively. For instance, a logistics company enhanced its AI-driven supply chain management by investing in comprehensive training for its employees, resulting in improved efficiency and reduced errors. By addressing skill gaps, you empower your workforce to harness the full potential of AI, driving innovation and growth within your organization. Change management plays a critical role in the successful adoption of AI workflows. Resistance to change is a natural human reaction, especially when it involves complex technologies like AI. To navigate this, it's essential to implement effective change management strategies. Start by understanding the concerns of your stakeholders and clearly communicating the benefits of AI adoption. Engaging employees through workshops and feedback sessions can foster a sense of ownership and ease the transition. A financial services firm recently implemented AI-driven analytics and achieved a smooth transition by involving employees early in the process and addressing their concerns. By prioritizing change management, you ensure a smoother transition and greater acceptance of AI within your organization.
Monitoring and maintenance are crucial for the long-term success of AI systems. Without regular oversight, even the most well-designed AI workflows can falter. Common challenges include outdated algorithms, data drift, and system inefficiencies. Implementing robust monitoring tools allows you to track the performance of your AI systems in real time, identifying issues before they escalate. Regular updates and audits ensure your AI remains up to date and compliant with industry standards. A global e-commerce platform maintained its AI-powered recommendation engine by establishing a dedicated monitoring team, resulting in consistent performance and a 20% increase in sales. By prioritizing monitoring and maintenance, you safeguard the longevity and effectiveness of your AI investments.
Let's explore some real-world examples of successful AI workflow implementations. These case studies highlight the diverse applications of AI across industries and the impact of overcoming common challenges. In the automotive industry, a manufacturer integrated AI for predictive maintenance, reducing downtime by 30% and saving millions annually. In healthcare, an AI-driven diagnostic tool improved patient outcomes by 25% through accurate and early disease detection. These successes underscore the importance of addressing challenges such as data integration, scalability, and skill gaps. By learning from these examples, other organizations can chart a path to successful AI adoption and unlock new opportunities for innovation and growth. We've journeyed through the landscape of AI workflow implementation, tackling challenges from inefficiencies to skill gaps. By addressing these hurdles, you set the stage for successful AI integration and innovation. I encourage you to apply the strategies we've discussed and share your experiences in the comments below. Let us know what challenges you've faced and how you've overcome them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into AI and technology. Suggest future topics you'd like us to explore. Together, let's master AI workflow implementation and drive the future of innovation.